46, I'm gonna have to drop the filter and on the side of the transmission. Take that screen out, clean it, and then take the filter off. So I'm just assuming, you know, that ain't nothing but a just simple screen, you know, filter, you know, that. So I'm gonna start on that first, and then that's gonna be probably, it'll take me like 20 minutes to do that and just knock that out. I ain't like my toolbox, y'all. What size is this? A quarter. Yeah, 3/4. Let's see. Yeah, 3/4. 3/4, quarter. So that's gonna be switch hands. Apparently, that's stripped out. That's rounded out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back with this new filter. I'm gonna get the other one. And good old John Deere. Can't get any better than this, you know what I'm saying? Alright, finally got that thing broken loose. Right there. It had some dirt in it, and then I kind of messed with it. I'm gonna get this bucket over here. And I'm gonna see if I can catch some, and then I'm gonna see if I can hold it in that bucket. Alright. Ain't really nothing wrong with the screen. I'm just gonna clean it up anyway. Try and clean this filter. Now I got this thing clean. The screen, it wasn't all that dirty. It had a few trash in it. And now I'm finna go back with it. I got the strainer clean, so that goes right back off in there. Let me zoom.
The next day.
Yeah, I'm over here at the parts store. Had to get some bolts. And I had to get another display. Then I had to get 4 cans of hydraulic oil. Go ahead and get the ticket. Parts store. Go ahead and get the ticket. What's going on, man? Hey, now, get in the truck. So I'm headed back to the farm equipment now, back to the 4640. Well, let's get to the shop. So now we're here on the farm. Now, like I said, I'm finna get these boxes, these buckets of oil. We working on the 4640. And I'm gonna get these buckets of oil and finna pour it in the tractor and get that going. I'm working on, I'm trying to learn this new tool that I have, this, what you call it, the DJI. So that's what I'm holding right now. I'm trying to learn how to do it. So we're gonna pour the oil in here, right here, cause see, I had left that. Let's go around. Cause see, I had left that unplugged. That way I can get all that nasty stuff out of there and let it run overnight. So I'm gonna plug it up. And matter of fact, I'm gonna do it now. Well, I leave it plugged back here like this. I can get in here. Strainer goes in. Just like that. Now put your cap on. Last time I couldn't get that open. It was frozen. I was just like, darn it, I just can't work on anything. I got 4 buckets. I done got y'all in the sun a little bit. All right, got y'all 1 bucket going in. I got 1 more. 1 more to go. I just knew that was gonna happen. So now that's 1, 2. There go 3. Now I need to put the last one in there, in the tractor. $20-gallon oil. Four buckets of high train takes 20 gallons to fill up on the back end. Now we're getting ready for a cold start. Tighten that nut up down there, and then just crank it. All right, I got the plug put in, and so now I'm finna start the tractor and just hope that it moves. So now I got the high train, 4 cans of high train in, and got a new filter. Got the plug strainer put back in. So now for some odd reason it still don't want to move. So I wouldn't think that front pump don't went out. I wouldn't think. So I couldn't have. I can't just put it on that. Well, we have to do a little further investigating on this one. Alright, I had to get the camera. Alright, trouble is about this tractor. Still not pumping. So this is just gonna have to be a part 2. I'm gonna have to come back to this one. I'm thinking it may be in the pump right here. I don't know, the pump may need bleeding. I got a new fuel filter, got the strainer clean. I got brand new high train. Of course I wasted some right there, so I don't know what to do. I mean, evidently I'm gonna find out, so it's no problem.